The ETSO-approved pilot and passenger suits include Solus-grade reflective tape. It is located at the wrists and at the back of the neck on both suits. The pilot suit also has the tape on the shoulder and leg pockets. If it is damaged, it needs to be replaced. Let's start with the neck tape. Using your seam ripper, remove the stitches holding the reflective tape to the suit. Be careful not to cut the suit when ripping the stitches. Now, cut an 8-inch piece of S1262-2 reflective tape. You can use either a flatbed or an off-arm machine to sew the new tape. Be careful not to sew through the neck seal. You may find it easier to do on the off-arm machine. It's the same process for replacing the reflective tape on the wrist. Use your seam ripper to remove the old tape. Once you remove it, cut a new piece 10 inches long. To sew it to the wrist cuff, you'll need to use an off-arm machine. Place the new tape over the old location. Be careful not to sew into the wrist seal. When replacing the tape on the shoulder pocket of the pilot suit, use your seam ripper to remove the old tape. For the pocket, cut a new piece of tape about 3 1/4 inches long. Unless you're going to hand sew, we recommend moving the new tape to the outside of the pocket flap. Here's the tape being sewn on a flatbed machine. And here's the tape being sewn on an off-arm machine. The last tape repair is on the leg pocket of the pilot suit. And again, use your seam ripper to remove the old tape. For the leg pocket, cut a 7-inch piece of tape. We're using an off-arm machine here to get inside the pocket. If you're having difficulty, you can move the tape higher up on the pocket.